In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to point your GoDaddy domain to any web hosting using an IP address and name server. Whether you're setting up a new website or switching hosting providers, connecting your domain to your hosting account is a crucial step. Let's dive in and simplify this process together. First, we'll start by logging into your GoDaddy account. If you don't have one yet, simply create it and log in. Once you're on the dashboard, locate your name in the upper right corner of the screen. This could be your actual name or the name you used when creating your account. Clicking on your name will open a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled My Products. This is where GoDaddy stores all your current domains and services, making it easy to manage what you have. Now, let's proceed by finding the specific domain that you want to connect with your web hosting. Within My Products, go through your list of domains until you spot the one you're focusing on. Next, click on this domain to open up its settings. Once you're in the domain settings, the next step is to identify and copy the IP address linked to your hosting account. This IP address is crucial because it acts as the unique identifier for your web server. If you're unsure of where to find this, double check with your hosting provider's documentation or support center. With the correct IP address in hand, we're halfway there. Now return to your GoDaddy account. We'll focus on the DNS settings next. Back in the domain settings, you'll see a section labeled DNS. Click on it to access and modify your domain's DNS records. Here you'll see a record labeled A, which stands for address, typically associated with IP addresses. This A record is what we are going to edit to point your domain correctly. Look for a small pencil icon next to the A record. This is the edit icon, and clicking on it will allow you to make changes. Erase any existing IP address present and paste the new IP address that you copied earlier from your hosting account. Be very precise with this step, as even a small error can misdirect your domain, leading users to the wrong server or causing your site not to load. Once you've carefully pasted the new IP address, remember to save your changes. Your domain's DNS records are now updated, and this change usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet. Once propagation is complete, your domain will be operational and directed correctly to your hosting provider. That wraps up the process of pointing your GoDaddy domain using an IP address and name server. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide made it easier for you to manage your domain settings. If any part of the process was unclear, feel free to rewatch the relevant section or reach out in the comments for additional help. Happy hosting!